Y'all, before I get started with today's Vlogtober, listen, I want to send a big shout out to Revant Cosmetics. Keep me ready at all times because you know why? They make the perfect gel eyeliners for women of my age, especially. You know, we have a tendency for our eyes to water. Y'all already know I'm in that category. But these are the gel eyeliners from Revant, which are intense colors. They are long wear and also they're waterproof, which I was originally sent some of these and I started using them and I fell in love with these pencils, y'all. I tell you what, I'm so glad I'm on their list of folks to receive it because I was getting low on my black and brown, and now is the time for me to pop out my green and my plum purplish color and also this blue teal green color. Y'all, I'll put the colors down in the description box, but I want to thank them again for sending these over because these are my go-to. You may find a link in my description box for Revant at all times because I swear about it, they are my go-to. Yes, thank you, Revant. Another mess to clean up today. My desk in this beauty room. I find that perhaps because I work from home, I create more messes. Because I just don't think the average person has all of this craziness to deal with every day. They just probably don't. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. What you think? And I say to myself, girl, there should not be a reason why you shouldn't stay organized all the time because guess what? You're here. You're right here at home. You should be able to keep things tidy. But no, she has to create messes. I have all of these lipsticks out. I don't think I've worn many of these in a minute. They're just here, so I'll put them back up just to pull them back out again. Marvelous. Sephora. Yep, I got MAC here. L'Oreal. Is that NYX? Black Opal. Lip liners that I don't even use for the most part. I may put these lipsticks up. I got jewelry that don't need to be here. A perfume that I can put up as well.
off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new me. I've been broken, I've been low, but I found my strength, I let it show like the river running to the sea. This is my time, my destiny. New season, a new me. I'm stepping out in victory. No more chains, I'm finally free.
Okay,
This is my moment.
mission accomplished. That didn't take too long, not too painful. Need to take this to get charged up. And put my desk down.
Buried are coming alive. Every scar I'm carrying is proof I survived. Now my soul is singing, I feel so alive. The night is over, the dawn has come. I've been reborn, my race has begun. Can't hold me back, just watch and see. I'm walking boldly into who I be.
Alright, so I actually just turned my desk around. So, as y'all saw in the clip, I was struggling when I was trying to organize my clothes here the other day, and I couldn't reach them. So, my space is limited, and if you're wondering, most of this stuff is like stuff that I wear, like going out, or if I'm actually doing a concert. So that's why a lot of it looks kind of sparkly or fancy and stuff like that. My just regular business attire or casual attire is in my bedroom closet. So that's the reason why it looks kind of like, where is she going? Well, that's the reason for that. Okay, and this basket here just houses all of my day-to-day makeup, because I will go through and like clear out some things that I don't want to use this week and switch it over, which is what I'm going to do in a little bit here, because I have pulled out my Tarte palette, my Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette. Girl, this is all you need. You got your highlighter, bronzer, and blush all in one. So I don't need this extra blush. I could put this eyeshadow up, the Fenty Snap It palette. I can put this highlighter from Laura Geller up. Bronzer. I'll put this up for now. Yeah. And I have another highlighter in here from Tarte, so I can put it up too. Don't need all of that. When you got one palette, simple. But that's all I'm doing right now. Just trying to get some things organized, tidied up. Let me put this up before I drop these items and I'll be upset with myself. With myself. All right, babes, I think that is about it. So I will see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogtober. We are just going to go and get the rest of this day popping, since I feel a lot better about my space right now. And I'll really be in business once I get my shelves put up over there, that I'm hoping like it will do here for me. Maybe for my Christmas present, but I want all custom built shelves, like the nice wood, okay, over there, where I can have a wall full of shoes and products, whatever I need, and I can make that cute back there. Okay, so that's it. That's all, baby. Yeah.